There is no better way to learn than by doing. For over a decade, we've gathered tons of knowledge in bamboo design and construction, and we are here to share it. At Bamboo U, we have a mission: empowering people to build a better world with bamboo. During our one-day experience, you'll explore the world of bamboo through hands-on activities. From structural systems, model making, and design sessions. Let the bamboo itself show you its strength, its flexibility, and the form it wants to become. Bamboo doesn't just build structures. It builds community, friendship, and memories that last a lifetime. Join us in Bali, connect with this culture, enjoy food made with love, and experience the magic of designing and building all in one day. Just click the button, fill out the form, and we'll be in touch to plan your bamboo experience.